More than a fifth of Europe is at risk of experiencing a drought this summer. Parts of Spain and southern France are already experiencing water shortages, with farmers expecting the worst yield in decades. The situation is especially serious as it follows years of consecutive drought, which unleashes prime concerns.
This is the
Average
DJI
temperature in the
Atlas
Mediterranean
T16.
is now
The Atlas
1.5 degrees
T16
higher
is
than it was
typically dominated
100
by
years ago.
It features 6
That's
rovers.
in line with
If you have a poultry farm, the Robot XO is definitely something you should consider. It is a tool for disinfection and environmental analysis of poultry.
Sprinklers work perfectly
How does
with
the
the downward
company do
airflow.
this, you may ask? Well,
the whole block is a 1/14 of an acre, or 280 square metres, but the area that we're standing in where most of the food is coming from is around 12 by 8 metres.
This is an amazingly abundant little garden.
Tucked away in once unclaimed corners of the concrete jungle are actual jungles.
And I'm saying to people, dig up your lawn. It's amazing what you can grow in your own garden, and it's absolutely remarkable what you can grow in a tiny area.
In Holland, we're very densely populated, but every neighborhood has about 200 square meters of barren land that we can convert into a natural forest.
Tended to by volunteers like Penny Jones, who's been planting in this Lower East Side plot for nearly 30 years.
What makes you come back here year after year and do all this for free?
I don't have to go to the country on the weekend. I'm 10 minutes from my apartment.
I feel that if we plant a lot of these forests, we can mitigate the effects of climate change, but we cannot stop it because we need to stop emitting carbon altogether. But it can buy us time if we plant a lot of these forests.